Hello all and welcome back. So in this video now, let us do the last variation of deleting a node in my linked list. That is, I want to now delete the node by value. Okay, so let's get started. First, let me draw a linked list. So 1, 2, 3, second, 4, and say 5. Great. And we can just take the last one as none. None. Okay. We all know this is a head. Now I'm drawing it like this because when you will be doing question, since you have got the idea now, this is going to be a lot easy, right? It has the data and the pointer. So just a small way of drawing it. But uh, if you have any issues, like I don't think it should be there, but yeah, if it is, then please draw the boxes and make sure that you understand it properly. Okay, great. Now in the head part, let us just think out loud and see what, in the value part, let us see what can be different cases, right? So first is that again, you are asking me to delete the head only, head value. Okay, so that is the case. And again, in this question, we are deleting the first occurrence. So even if it is, let's say 444, I'm deleting the first four, right? Great. So second thing, you are, value is not present. Okay, let us write it in short. Value not present. Okay. And again, these are very important to always write and even confirm with the interviewer. So that's why I'm writing them and making you go through the way it will be solved in an interview. Third, value is present. Right. So I think these are the major cases which we will get. You are asking me to delete the head, then value is not present or value is present. Great. Now, just like we did in the delete at an index part and in delete at tail as well, you will see one thing that if I want to, let's say, delete this 4, okay, this is my overall, say, element which I want to delete, okay, delete 4. Then understanding is this. We will have to stop one step or rather one node before, right? So we can change the connection. Again, the understanding is very, very similar. Okay, we just have to make sure that we stop a node before, because if you are able to stop a node before, then you just have to make sure that you make this connection, nothing else, right? This is just the connection which you have to make and you will be good. And I think this we have done now lots of time. We have to first make sure that this is the first connection which we break, and then this should be the second connection which we make, right? So instead of missing out on all the linked list, one second, yeah, this is the first one which we make, and this is going to be the second one, right? So actually, it will be a lot similar to the one which we did in index. So let us now do it, everyone. I hope the overall understanding is clear. I will start a loop. I will start a loop. Make sure that when I get the value, I'm checking that value on the next, not on the current. Because again, if I have to delete 4 and I stand on 4, then I cannot delete this. Then I cannot delete this. And again, we are not changing the values or the data in our linked list, right? So you cannot say that you are allowed to change the data. That is some condition which we have not taken. So you will have to go to 3, right? And then ask 3 to that, hey, please forget 4 and move on to the next element, which the 4 was remembering, so that this 4 gets eliminated from my list. Okay, so that's the basic idea, everyone. I hope it is clear a lot. We have done this many times. Again, at this point, I will also now ask you, because we have done so many questions, pause the video and try to do it yourself. If not, then of course, we will be doing it as well. Great, everyone. So I hope this was clear. Now let's go and code the same. So diff delete, one second, delete a node at by value, right? By value. Great. So we will be given a head and a value. Okay. So pay attention, everyone. Let me just clear it, close it, so we can focus on this. I think Zoom work, but should be fine. I can write it like that as well. If again your head is none, you cannot do anything. If your head is none, just return none. You can say list is empty or something like that, but yeah, we can just actually print it because it is in iteration. Print list empty to let the person know that maybe we are doing something wrong, right? Then next part, if head dot data and is equals to value, right? So you are giving me one here. In this particular case, you are asking me to delete one, which is the value of my head. So I have to now, in this particular case, always connect when check with data. We have not done this ever before, but yes, this is what we have to do. Okay, great. If this is the case, we can just return head dot next, right? So again, I will write this boundary case when head is value. And again, this will be a lot helpful when we write the recursive way of doing this, right? Great. Now we are going to make a temp, which is going to be head. This time we don't need a count because we are working on value this time and not on index. I have to now write my loop. Okay, so while this time, now pay attention everyone. So one more thing you have to understand. When I'm going to use my temporary variable, okay, I have to make sure that the next I am comparing, because always I have to compare the value of next, right? And I have to make sure that I'm able to reach to the last node somehow. So we have to make a check that temp dot next dot data. If we do temp dot data, it's going to be a problem. The reason, let's say you use temp dot data, then you will come on 4, it will be the value, but again, then you cannot do anything. You cannot delete it. As of now, we are not maintaining any previous pointer or anything. Once you come on this 4, there is no way you can go back. There is no way you can go back. Right, everyone? So I hope this is clear a lot. So again, we have handled, let me mark that well, we have handled this case. Okay. Next again, what we have to do, while temp dot next is not none. Okay. And temp dot next dot data, okay, is not equals to value. If both of these cases are true, I should move my temp. So all I'm saying is that, hey, till the next node is not none and the data is not equal to the value I'm looking for, please move the pointer. How that will actually happen? So it will be something like this. Pay attention, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Temp will start from here. Temp. I'm saying that, hey, is the next node none? It will say no. Okay, great. Is the data equal to 4? It will say no. Okay, then move forward. So temp will come here now. Again, the same check. Is the next data next of temp none? You will say no. Is the data equal to value I'm looking forward? No. Then move next. Okay. Then next check. Is the temp none? No. Is the data equal to value which I'm looking forward to? Yes. So break the loop. And you will have the, in temp, you will have 3 this time. Because you have 3, now you can work on making sure that you make this connection directly. Okay. Great. So let us now, one second. Yeah. Let us now try to code this as well, everyone. So this is done. Now, before you are able to, so what we have to do now, temp dot next, I can say is equals to temp dot next dot next, right? So if I'm able to make this change just, so for next, again, this is very much same as we did here. Node to be deleted, temp dot next, node after deleted node. So maybe let me copy this. Okay, if we are more comfortable in this approach, we can do this as well. Let us do this, right? So I'm finding node to be deleted, which is my 4. Node after deleted node, which is my 5. And then temp dot next. I'm just making it node after deleted node. And now I can return my head. Okay, so totally works fine. Let us just quickly try it. I think we might have something which we are missing, but let us see that. No worries. Let us first try this. One second. I think I'm not called this. So delete node by value. Okay. 10 minus 1. Great. So let us clear this. Run this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 1. Okay, I think we have made a mistake. So we are deleting 3 instead of 4, but I think should be fine, right? We are passing this value as 3. I forgot that we are passing the value, but I think this will not change anything in the question. So see, node 3 has been deleted, right? Great, very good. Let us check with empty list. Seems to work fine. List empty. Great. 1, 2, 3, 4. My bad. Okay, we cannot undo it. So something which I want to not try is everyone. Let's say 10, 20, 30, 40 minus 1. See, now I'm getting an error. Now, why am I getting an error? Can anyone think on that? We have done this lots of time. The error lies because this loop, this whole loop, it would have ran, but it won't have found anything. So my temp dot next would have been none. We would be on tail node. And because I'm tail node, so see, this condition is the one which is making me stop. Temp dot next is none, so it stopped, right? And now, because my temp dot next is none, that implies I'm on tail node. So how can I access the dot next of this again? So one condition to handle this all, if temp dot next is none, that in a way means that we have actually gone through each and every node and we have not found the value, because finally my temp dot next is tail. So if I started from head and I have reached tail and I have still not find your value, then that means the value is not there. So print value not present, return head as it is, and now your code is going to work fabulously well. Let us run this. Clear it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 minus 1. See, value not present. And after deletion, same linked list we are getting. Right, everyone? So I hope this is a lot clear as well now. This whole way of handling all these things. We have done this a lot of time. So yes, we have handled value not present and value present, both of them as well. So let us mark them right. Okay, great. So yeah, I think this was very much on the way we have done all these things as of now, all the questions. Now, just one thing more, everyone. So you have to just try to do this recursively as well.